Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is July the 29th, man. We're almost into August. Actually, we'll be in August this week. So, we are out here on our first of two jobs today, and we do also have an in-home consultation this afternoon. So, our first project, guys, we are going to be doing a marble countertop and an island in this beautiful home in this kitchen area. This is a client. They found me on Google. They sent me some pictures. I gave them a price and they said, let's book it. So we're here today. Then after this, I got a repeat client who he buys homes, and I've done a few homes for him already, his wood floors. He has another home we're going to be doing today in Atlanta, screen and recoat, and then we also have a in-home consultation later on today in screen and recoat. I think it's going to be screen and recoat, and I've also had 3 new inquiries come in this morning for wood floor services. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you again. I am doing my new countertop service, which I'm really enjoying. All right, guys, so we are in the more like the Sandy Springs, Roswell area, right off of Riverside Drive, if you guys know those areas. So let's go in here and show you what we got going. I haven't been wearing my Meta glasses lately, but I think I'm going to go back. I'm just so used to recording with my phone. Also, too, I got my buddy with me today, Aaron. Aaron, he's my sanding guy. He's the guy that sands the floors. This morning, you about to go walk, Miss Mormon?
I'm just gonna go into the mailbox.
Oh, okay. What is this considered, like Sandy Springs? Rock? Yeah, Sandy Springs. Okay, great. So that's the homeowner. So this is what we're going to be doing today, guys. And if you look, you see a lot of swirls. See a lot of watermarks in this right here. You can probably better see it. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is just honing this down. Now, Miss Mormon was telling me she doesn't want it too shiny, so I'm going to stop at a certain grit. But you see, like right here, guys, it's kind of like that one that I did in that bathroom vanity that I did for one of my clients. A lot of water deposits here. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do half of this so you can kind of see the difference, and then that's what, and that way then we're gonna be doing all this right here, all around here, here, and here. All right, guys, me and Aaron go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so what I did, I turned my light on my phone so you can see. Now look at all this. Look at where my finger's pointing. Look at all those scratches, those surface scratches in the marble. You see things have been sitting on the marble. Okay, so look at this. Now look at the part I just did. And they want to get it down to like a matte finish. Look at the difference. No more scratches. All right. Wow. All right, guys, so I just got through doing the whole island. As you can see, it's more like a matte look. A lot of people love this matte look, but my client wants to bring the shine up. So probably want to build that up in about maybe 3 to 4 more sequence. So this is the first sequence, but just like the screen and recoat, all it does is that first sequence is just get out all those micro scratches, get out all those water deposit marks, and now you can just see the marble is looking really good. So sometimes people want this matte look, and then sometimes they want us to build the shine back up. So that's what we're about to do. All right, guys. All right, so tell me what you think. It's looking good?
Oh yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yeah, put a little shine on it for you. Build that shine up. Now, also, too, I just want to make sure you were aware of these chips, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure. Because if you kind of go around the edges, you kind of feel them. You don't really see them as much. But I don't know if that's something that someone tried to feel. Because they look like filler right there. But just want to make sure. But yeah, this looks so much better. guys, that is gonna do it. Look at these marble countertops and island. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And guys, it makes the kitchen look so much so natural now. Yes.
So yeah, it's funny because this is actually what I was calling home.
Yep.
Just right.
Just
Yeah.
right. Thank you.
Yeah.
What's her name again?
Oh, her name is Addie.
Addie. What'd you
Yeah.
think, girl? All right, guys. Well, thanks again. And you guys found me on Google, right?
Yeah.
Oh, did y'all? So your husband did find someone to cut that?
He
Remember?
did. Well, no, we cut it ourselves.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations!
Yeah.
Wow, you did a good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
yeah. We haven't had it installed yet, though. The guy's got to come back
Yeah,
out here
guys.
so he can.
Okay, so that's why they haven't put the cabinets
But
back.
yeah, in fact, I helped him.
Wow.
He and I renovated our first home.
Oh, so you guys already kind of have.
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
yeah.
nice.
As we've gotten older, we've run
Yeah.
out of time to do some stuff
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that.
Yeah, I remember he asked me. I said, and I called my other guy. That's when he said call it a fabricator. So, yep. All right, guys. See you in the next one.
Good.